In today's video, I'm going to teach you Squarespace tutorial, how to build a website in less than 10 minutes. Open your browser and head to squarespace.com. On the home page, click Get Started. This launches Squarespace's quick setup flow, which asks a few simple questions so it can assemble a starter site for you in seconds. Don't worry, nothing here is permanent. You can change designs, content, and settings later. When you see the template categories, choose Photography. Even if your site isn't about photos, this category gives you clean visual layouts that work well for portfolios, services, or small businesses. Click Next to continue. Now pick your primary goal. Select Showcase Work or Expertise. This tells Squarespace to prioritize pages and sections that highlight what you do, so your homepage and navigation are set up to make a strong first impression. Click Next again. Choose Build a Website. This keeps things focused on a classic website structure with pages, sections, and a simple navigation, while still allowing you to add commerce later if you need it. In the search field, type Highlight. This filters to a modern, flexible starting point with bold typography and clear calls to action. With that selected, click Next. You'll now customize the foundation of your site. Add a product section so you have a space ready for offerings. This can be physical items, digital downloads, services, or packages. Then select the recommended highlights to round out your site's structure. Think essentials like an About area, a gallery or portfolio grid, services, contact information, FAQs, testimonials, or a blog. These choices help Squarespace pre-build the right pages for you so you spend less time starting from scratch. When you're done, click Next. Enable a shop by choosing Shop. This creates a storefront page and the basic commerce scaffolding, even if you're not ready to sell today. Select a few related options to refine that setup, then click Next. Make a couple of style choices to give your site personality, such as a color direction and a general design feel. Then click Next. Choose a heading style you like. This sets the tone for your titles and hero sections so your brand feels consistent. Click Finish to generate your site. Finally, click Edit Site and confirm Edit Site again to open the visual editor. Your starter pages, sections, and navigation are now live in the builder. From here, hover any text to edit it in line, swap images with your own high-quality visuals, and use the Site Styles panel to tweak fonts, colors, and spacing. Remember, you can revisit pages and sections at any time, and your choices during setup simply gave you a smart head start. Save your changes, and your new Squarespace website is